But despite all the efforts from the crypto community to bring more stability and trust to blockchain technology, the absence of practically any regulation or protection makes it an easy target for those who are looking to make a quick buck at someone else's cost. Several crypto companies have filed for bankruptcy with their founders and CEOs being arrested. Satoshi himself always remained anonymous and at some point has disappeared. Another challenge with blockchain networks is their accessibility. Both the complexity of the existing state of things along with the number of steps that each person needs to go through to interact with them require a higher than average technical knowledge. Also, the responsibility of securing the credentials is almost always in the hands of the users, who often are unaware of the importance or even existence of this responsibility. Let's see how this works. To be able to trigger a transaction on the blockchain, we need to have an account. Each network has its algorithm, which makes accounts look different. But at their core, they all are just a string of characters that is generated from another string, called private key. This is the most important part of the account that needs to be kept safe and secure. Whoever has access to this string will be able to use the account and will have access to all its funds and NFTs. Once the private key is created, a public key and the account name are generated from it. Next, we can try to interact with the blockchain directly through its native protocol. For that, we would need to run our own blockchain machine that needs to connect to the network that we are trying to interact with. Or we could use one of the gateways that are provided by several companies. Both of the described ways require some technical knowledge and will not allow using the existing websites that provide blockchain functionality, often referred to as Web3. To interact with them, we need to install a Web3 wallet, import our private key into it, and connect it to the website that we are trying to use. Some websites offer to create such accounts and wallets for us. Even though that is convenient, it is important to keep in mind that this website will also own our private key and account along with any assets that we purchase. Thus, we need to make sure that we can trust it. In general, blockchain is an innovative technology with great potential. It has already transformed many industries and will continue to do so. But as with anything else, proceeding with optimistic caution is probably the safest way.